Introducing the world's first complete. From story idea to a fully illustrated. Publish kids' book on Amazon in under 10 minutes. Every single time. Kids' book publishing system, write, illustrate, animate, publish, repeat. This is not a kids' book tool. Other tools do one thing. DreamForge AI does everything. It is the only platform that handles your entire kids' book publishing operation from the moment you pick a story, angle to the moment your paperback goes live on Amazon and your animated version is ready for YouTube Kids. Story, illustrations, narration, animation, publishing, all automated. All from one dashboard. It takes just 3 simple steps. No complex setup, no learning curve, no prior publishing experience. Step 1. Log in and pick your story angle. Open DreamForge AI and go straight to the story builder. Browse curated kids' book categories, bedtime stories, adventure, moral lessons, educational, holiday themes, personalization. Pick the angle the data says is selling on Amazon right now. No guessing. No staring at a blank page. The structure is built in. Step 2. Let DreamForge AI build the whole book. Click Generate. The AI writes the complete multi-page kids story. Click Illustrate. The AI generates professional illustrations on every page with consistent character. Art across the entire book. Click Narrate. The AI adds professional read-aloud audio. Click Animate. The same illustrated story becomes a YouTube Kids ready video in your library. 0 writing. 0 drawing. 0 animation skills required. Step 3. Publish to Amazon and start earning. Add your book to the publishing queue. Click Submit. DreamForge AI generates the KDP-ready PDF for paperback, the Kindle file for ebook, the shareable interactive flipbook link for promotion, and the animated video for YouTube Kids upload. Your kids' book goes live across multiple platforms. Amazon starts paying paperback and Kindle royalties. YouTube Kids starts paying ad revenue. Your story starts earning. No writing. No design. No drawing. No animation software. No copying and pasting. No guesswork. Story, illustrate, narrate, animate. Publish, earn, start. Over with a new story. No workarounds. No gray areas, no shortcuts. DreamForge AI is built on professional-grade infrastructure. Everything works the way it is supposed to. The story and illustration engine. Professional AI story generation trained specifically on kids' book pacing, tone, and structure. Consistent character illustration, the same protagonist on every single page. Every single time. Niche-accurate art styles the AI. Matches illustration style to story type. Adventure, bedtime, educational. No hallucinations or off-topic content stories built from kids' book. Genre frameworks, not random prompting. The narration and animation engine. Professional, read-aloud narration, kid-friendly. AI voices with proper pacing and inflection. Multi-platform video output YouTube Kids. TikTok, Reels, and Shorts ready. Auto-synced narration and visuals, the system aligns voiceover, images, and pacing automatically. $0 per conversion, no per book fees. No monthly subscriptions, no add-ons.